What's up everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you completely make your account of Facebook private. How do you change the privacy settings, and I'm gonna show you one method that will just help you get the most out of it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna open up my Facebook. I'm gonna go to my menu site, and now if you scroll down and we go to settings and privacy, we hit settings. Then on the top we have the profile settings for my account, and then you can change who can send you requests, who can see your posts and stuff like that. So these are the basic privacy controls that everyone should know, and they probably already know. But once you're done tweaking this, so like this is probably for your existing friends. Now in case you just don't want people to add you, to view your profile picture, to just you just don't want them to be able to interact to you, what you want to do is you want to go to your profile, which is in the middle section on this bottom navigation bar, and then on the right side to the edit profile button, you see those three dots. We're gonna hit lock profile. Now you see only your friends will see the photos, posts and stories. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture. People will still be able to search for you and send you requests, but they won't be able to see any private information at all. So this is a good feature. You can go ahead and lock your profile, and then let me just show you. I think there's a option to view your profile. Let me find that. Wait up. Right, so hit view as, and now this is what the users will be seeing, how they will be seeing your profile. They won't be able to go to your cover, they won't be able to go to your profile picture or any of that. This is what they will see. So that is a good privacy feature Facebook added, and you should try it if you need it. So that is all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.